Some plants just look like they grew on Earth. And then there are these 10 succulents, so strange, so otherworldly, that the first time you see them, you genuinely question if they are real. Let us get into it. Lithops, also called living stones, these tiny succulents disguise themselves as actual pebbles to survive being eaten by animals. 2 thick, fleshy leaves, a small split in the middle, and once a year, a flower emerges right out of that gap. Astrophytum, the star cactus. Covered in soft, white, speckled dots and shaped in a perfect star pattern, this plant looks like it fell straight out of the night sky. The texture alone makes it one of the most unique succulents in existence. Haworthia cooperi. The leaf tips on this succulent are completely translucent, almost like jelly, and they genuinely glow when light passes through them. It looks pulled straight out of a science fiction film. String of pearls. Perfectly round green beads trail down in long strands, looking less like leaves and more like something engineered in a lab. The spherical shape minimizes water loss in the harshest conditions. Echeveria. This succulent forms a rosette so perfectly geometric and symmetrical that it looks designed rather than grown. The pastel colors shift with sunlight, making it look almost artificial up close. Barrel cactus. Round, ridged, and covered in sharp spines arranged in perfect spiraling rows. This plant looks like a strange alien orb sitting in the desert. Some grow large enough to genuinely look otherworldly. Aloe vera. Thick, spiky leaves arranged in a bold, symmetrical pattern give this plant an almost reptilian, alien texture. It looks far more dramatic and sculptural than people expect from such a common plant. The jade plant. The thick, jelly-like leaves on this plant store so much water, they look almost synthetic, like tiny green stones glued onto woody stems. The older it gets, the stranger and more sculptural it looks. Zebra haworthia. Bold white stripes running across dark green leaves create a pattern so precise it looks painted on rather than natural. It almost looks like a creature's skin rather than a plant. Hens and chicks. The mother plant produces tightly packed baby rosettes all around it, forming a cluster that looks like a strange alien colony multiplying on its own. Every rosette is a perfect tiny copy of the one beside it. 10 succulents, and every single one looks like it does not belong on this planet. Yet, they all grow quietly in gardens and windowsills around the world. If one of these completely shocked you, let me know which one in the comments, and subscribe for more plant content every week.